pinractice namin yung mga katawan namin na gumiling.
Stretching ka mabuti para mag-loosen up yung muscles niya. Kasi kung sasayaw ka agad, tight yan. Kasi ano ka dito ng upper mo. Di ba?
Masakit nga po pag
ito,
sobrang
ito di ba?
Yung paghahanda namin parang naging madali kasi mas close kaming dalawa compared sa ibang boys.
Ayan, hindi na talaga may aalis na sexy talaga si Brian kaysa sa akin. Basta sa akin lang, basta magawa namin ng maayos na magkasama.
Painitin namin yung Protege Nation tonight.
Ayan.
Temperature's rising, barometer is getting low, according to our sources. The street's the place to go, 'cause tonight for the first time, just about 10:10, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. It's raining men. I'm gonna go out and let myself in. Absolutely so good. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. It's the best of me. God can lead. Rough and tough and strong and free. It's raining men.
May kasama exhibition yun.
Maraming naiinggit sa atin ngayon. Yung mga kaibigan ko,
Mga
alam ko na
judges
kung sino
natin.
yung mga naiinggit sa akin.
So,
A real bonus for us ladies, don't you think, ladies? Woot woot!
dalawa po kayong binigyan ng bulaklak, pero Ma'am Annette, kayo po, ano masasabi nyo?
Sobrang...
Speechless.
Actually, very, very entertaining yung number nila. Parang you never know what to expect next. Nakakagulat yung mga ginawa nila. And I'm sure napakadaming natuwa sa performance niyo tonight. Both of you did very well. Akala mo na yung isa umaangat dahil ang ganda ng ginagawa niya tapos biglang gugulaitan ka nung isa. May surprise rin pala siya. So, very good performance.
Since babae na rin lang ako, pwede ba mag-comment? Pwede rin dumagdag? You know, I am very, very pleased with this particular episode.
This episode, di ba?
Wala nga silang kama, pero you'll never know what happens, ha? After this. But I'm saying, I think this concept tonight is very cohesive and very clear as to who I think will be our next stars. And all of them across the board have really proven their mettle. It's going to be now harder and harder to decide. You all have grown so much. The mentors have been amazingly devoted to you guys, and we can see how much you've grown. And keep working out. Yeah. Keep it up, boys.